I will share with you 3 scholarships that you can apply for right now. Watch this video, find your suitable scholarships, and study abroad totally for free. The first scholarship is Helmut Weiss Stipend, which is awarded annually to female students who is exceptional and interested in computer sciences. This is 2 years master degree program at Technical University of Vienna in Austria. So, which program you can apply for? You can apply for Master in Logic and Computation, Master in Business Informatics, Master in Computer Engineering, Master in Data Science, Master in Media and Human-Centered Computing. What will the scholarship cover? Tuition fee, and you will get 14,000 euros for these 2 years for your living expenses. It's about 600 euros per month. Additionally, you can work as a student in Austria with your student residence permit. It's up to 20 hours per week. So, you're welcome to apply. Okay, what documents do you need? First of all, as usually, motivation letter, your transcripts and bachelor degree, of course, your IELTS or TOEFL. Again, you can check the score of IELTS or TOEFL, which is required, in the university website, which I will share with you in the description of this video. Also, you have to share with 2 contacts of the referees that will be ready to give you letter of recommendation when the university contacts them. And the last thing is copy of your passport. Documents should be sent to the email of the university that again you can find in the website that I will share with you. And the last thing is about when can you apply. You can apply now until November 2024. So hurry up and good luck. The second one is Schwartman Scholars, which is fully funded 1-year master program in global affairs at Tsinghua University in Beijing, China. This university is one of the best universities in the world, which constantly works and collaborate with such universities as Oxford, Cambridge, MIT, and etc. This 1-year master program in global affairs is concentrated either in public policy, economics, administration, and business. Which documents should you submit? First of all, it's your CV and resume, which shouldn't be more than 2 pages. You have to submit 2 essays, one on leadership and the second one is about statement of purpose. I have separate video interview with one of the winners of scholarship. You can watch it, and she is sharing on how to write catchy and very well essays to get scholarship. Second thing is transcripts and your bachelor degree. It's obvious, it's simple. The third one is 3 letters of recommendations. Again, it can be from university professors, it can be your employers, it can be whoever you have had business or academic relationship and connections. And the last one is introduction video. It's very tricky to introduce yourself and tell why you want this scholarship in 60 seconds, but I recommend you to record this video several times, at least 10 times, to have the perfect one to choose to send them. How can you apply? You apply through university platform, and when you are accepted for the interview, will invite you to Beijing, to China for the interview. They will pay for the ticket of yours and 1 night in the hotel if it is necessary. Students from all over the world can apply for this scholarship. What scholarship covers? When I said fully funded, I really mean fully funded, because the scholarship covers tuition fee, your accommodation. You will get monthly stipend of $4,000 per month for your living expenses. You will get ticket from your home country to China and back, and you will get money for books and supplies, and additionally your health insurance. When can you apply? You can apply now until September 2024. So good luck for you. The last one is Danish government scholarship. You can apply for Danish government scholarship if you want to get master degree in Denmark. Who can apply? Students from all over the world can apply for this master program in Denmark. Which programs are included? You can apply for master degree in humanities, social science, medical science, theology, sciences. What scholarship covers? First of all, tuition fee, and you will get monthly stipend of 6,000 Danish krone, which is about 600 euros. And again, you can work with your student residence permit in Denmark, and you can earn about 800-900 euros per week. When can you apply? Depending on the program that you choose, the deadline can vary, so please check the university website, which I will share with you, and also depending on your program, you will read there about the documents that are required for applying to this scholarship. Good luck and see you next week.